Right now, looking live here from the top of the Luminaria Hotel across the Caloosahatchee. We're waiting for sunrise, which happens at 7:17 this morning. And right now, it is cool outside, but not nearly as cold and chilly as we've seen the last couple of days. As a matter of fact, our temperature is still just a little bit above our average. We're sitting at 58 at Page Field. Our average is 54, and we've got low 50s, but no 40s on the map for parts of Glades and Hendry County. Compared to where we were yesterday, this is a 7 to 8 degree jump from LaBelle all the way out towards the coastline, with the biggest difference up towards Northport and Port Charlotte. Our wind this morning, light, but notice the southeasterly direction. It'll start to turn more out of the south once again today, and as it does so, it's going to continue this warming trend. One thing we will not have to worry about is rain on the radar. We'll get a few high-level clouds passing through today, but otherwise it's going to be very quiet. Dew point value still comfortable. It's not sticky outside. We're sitting nicely here in the 40s inland and low to mid 50s along the coast, and we'll get a nice breeze to help out today out of the south. We'll see it near 10 miles per hour, almost a carbon copy of the setup yesterday. The only difference is we'll be a little bit warmer. We hit 77 officially at Page Field. We're forecasting 79 here today, and many of us will get up there to 80 degrees with your sunset time just shy of 6 o'clock. So there are your averages. Our record on this date is 86, going back to 43, record low back in 1977, one below freezing at 31. But we've got warmth that is moving back in across the southeast, and that's all to the south there of a frontal boundary and a low pressure area that's developing here over the central plains. Parts of Oklahoma and Texas getting some showers and thunderstorms here early, with most of the snow between Denver and Omaha. As far as our weather is concerned, all those storm systems are going to continue to track to the north, so we'll get a few high-level clouds today, but notice no significant rainfall even for Thursday as we stay warm with that southerly breeze. Little boundary starts to drift to the south, giving us some cloud cover there Friday into the upcoming weekend. Now, as far as our temperatures this afternoon, upper 70s. Overnight tonight will be even warmer with temperatures in the upper 50s to around 60. Then we're going to settle into the 80s here for the long haul, heading for the rest of the weekend to the weekend as that ridge hangs on strong. So you'll watch the trend here over the weekend. We get these storm systems developing to our north, and as long as this high pressure ridge stays in place, we are going to remain dry and we're going to remain warm. If you're heading out on the water today, seas 2 feet with the water temperature of 62 degrees. Let's get you over to the 7-day because the warm temperatures are going to last here for a bit. You see, overnight we'll be in the mid 60s there by the weekend. That's 10 above our average as we've got yet another stretch of warm weather here as we're rolling through the first month of the new year.